To slow this video down, click on the settings cogwheel down here, playback speed, and then you can change it to 70.75, or you can customize it to whatever suits your needs best. Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a Myporfolio account and how to upload a file to that Myporfolio account, and then also link that folio to the correct representative. But firstly, we're going to have a quick look at a completed consultation pro forma. So you can see here I have a completed CA1 conductor consultation pro forma, and it's been completed. Trainee's name, assessor's name, the date, brief description of the case, and then it's been filled out accordingly. And it's been signed and dated. Okay, now I want to put this somewhere secure. So I'm going to make a Myporfolio account. So I'm going to open up my internet browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Type in myportfolio.acl.ac.uk. Now from here I'm going to log in with my UCL credentials. Within Myporfolio, you're going to create folders, which are called collections, for each of your modules which require competency sign-offs. To do that, you need to click Add, Collection, then name the collection. So I'm calling this Cataract Curriculum. Collection description you can leave blank for the moment, and next edit collection pages. Okay. So done. There are no pages available to add yet, so go done. Okay, now we've created the original folio for our cataract curriculum. Now, next, what we need to do is activate it. And by activating it, we need to create a page. So we go page here. So we're going to title it CRS1, which is Clinical Rating Scale, CRS1. So now I have my collection and my page, and I wish to activate my collection. So I need to click here, Manage, add CRS1 to our curriculum, cataract curriculum, and done. And now it's activated, you'll see a 1 there. And then you go cataract curriculum, and then you can now choose your file. So we're going to go desktop. So now we are searching for our work-based assessment. And then we can comment. And that's going to load. Now you can add multiple files. So to add multiple files, you go choose file. We'll find CRS1. Okay. Attach another file. Choose file. CRS2. And so on and so forth. And you can see here that the multiple files have been uploaded successfully. Now from here you need to share the file. So you go back to Myporfolio, go to share, and then you'll see cataract curriculum, edit access, share with, go user, search for them. So I'm going to find Rashmi. No special role, you make her manager if she's your manager, and then save, or you can find someone else, a user. I'm going to find someone to just share my work with as a friend. Okay, and make them appear and then save. And now I've shared this with Rashmi and Jay, and they can both view my curriculum. So now you can repeat this step for the other 3 modules that you need to create a folio for, and then share them in the same manner. So now I'm going to make the remaining 3 folios. So I'm going to add, I'm going to create a new collection. I'm going to call this one glaucoma. Okay, next edit collection page. There's nothing there, so we're going to done. Okay, then we're going to create a page. We can call this CRS1 as stated in the earlier in the video. So we'll save. Okay, back here, create. We can manage this. We can add our CRS1 page. Done. So now we have glaucoma that's live. You can now create the next one. So if we add another collection, well, let's make a page first this time, and we'll call this CRS1. Okay, this is for medical retina and acute emergency medical retina. So save, go back, create. I can create a collection now. So it's medical retina. Medical retina curriculum. Okay, we can add the CRS consultation page, a page. Done. Then we've just got one more, so we add one last page. CRS1. This is for acute and emergency eye care. So save. Go back. Create. Add. Collection. And we're calling this one acute and emergency eye care. Curriculum. Yes. Add CRS1. Add pages. Done. So we need to still add a page to our acute. No, we've already created it, so we can manage it. So now we go to share, and if your assessor is not a part of UCL, you can send them a secret URL link, which they'll be able to view all your files. To share the secret URL, you just click on this button here, new secret URL, and then you can copy that and send that in an email to your assessor.